Your kidneys, shaped like beans, serve as crucial filtration units for your body. They tirelessly work to remove waste products, excess water, and harmful toxins from your bloodstream. Beyond their role in purification, they are instrumental in maintaining stable blood pressure, ensuring a balance of electrolytes, and synthesizing vital hormones essential for bodily functions. Unfortunately, these vital organs are susceptible to damage from various factors. Conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure, along with risks like infections, kidney stones, and certain medications, can impair kidney function. This vulnerability underscores the importance of proactive kidney care to sustain their health and prevent deterioration. A practical approach to support kidney health is through your diet. Certain foods are known for their kidney cleansing properties, helping to prevent the formation of kidney stones, reducing inflammation, and safeguarding against oxidative stress, a precursor to many kidney diseases. In this video, we will explore 10 specific foods that are beneficial for cleansing and detoxifying your kidneys naturally. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can lead to significant improvements in kidney function. Prepare to be surprised at how simple dietary adjustments can enhance your kidney health significantly. Let's dive in and discover these powerful foods that can help keep your kidneys in optimal shape. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned not only for their urinary tract benefits, but also for their positive effects on kidney health. These small red berries contain a powerful compound known as quinine, which is metabolized into hippuric acid within the body. Hippuric acid plays a crucial role in helping to eliminate excess uric acid from the kidneys, which, if accumulated, can lead to the formation of kidney stones. Moreover, cranberries are rich in antioxidants and possess anti-inflammatory properties. This combination is beneficial as it helps to mitigate inflammation and reduces oxidative stress, both of which are potential contributors to kidney damage. Furthermore, cranberries are effective in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which pose a significant risk, especially in patients with chronic kidney disease. These infections can exacerbate the condition by allowing bacteria to adhere to the walls of the urinary tract, leading to further inflammation and infection. A specific study highlighted that women who consumed sweetened dried cranberries daily over a 2-week period experienced a substantially lower incidence of urinary tract infections compared to those who did not. To incorporate the kidney-supporting benefits of cranberries into your diet, consider eating them fresh, dried, or consuming unsweetened cranberry juice. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon, a vibrant citrus fruit, is another ally in the prevention of kidney stones, particularly those made from calcium. Lemons are abundant in citric acid, which has the ability to bind with calcium found in urine, effectively inhibiting the growth of calcium stones. These stones are the most prevalent type of kidney stones and are notorious for causing extreme discomfort and complications. In addition to its stone-preventing capabilities, lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which enhances the immune system's ability to ward off infections. One notable study demonstrated the effectiveness of lemonade therapy, which involves consuming 4 ounces of lemon juice mixed with 2 liters of water daily. This regimen proved to be very effective in reducing the recurrence of calcium oxalate stones, which are another common type of kidney stone. For daily benefits, simply squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of water, or add a wedge of lemon to your tea, making it a refreshing way to support your kidney health. Number 3. Seaweed. Seaweed, a type of algae that flourishes in marine environments, offers a plethora of health benefits. It's particularly noted for its high iodine content, which is crucial for maintaining healthy thyroid function and metabolism. Beyond iodine, seaweed is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and polysaccharides. These components play a significant role in protecting the kidneys, particularly from damage induced by diabetes. A compelling 2014 study demonstrated this protective effect when rats fed seaweed for 22 days showed significant reductions in kidney and liver damage caused by diabetes. Additionally, seaweed contains alginates, which are natural compounds capable of binding with heavy metals and other toxins in the body, facilitating their removal. This detoxifying property makes seaweed a valuable addition to a kidney-healthy diet. Seaweed can be enjoyed in various ways, snacked on its own, incorporated into soups and salads, or used as a key ingredient in sushi, making it a versatile and beneficial dietary addition. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a spice that enhances the flavor of dishes, it's also a powerful ally for kidney health. This pungent herb contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that is released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive aroma and offers antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, which are essential for protecting the kidneys from damage and infections. Research highlights the benefits of allicin, particularly for severe kidney conditions such as chronic kidney disease. One study found that allicin effectively reduced the levels of urea nitrogen and creatinine in the blood substances typically filtered by the kidneys. Lower levels of these compounds indicate improved kidney function. Additionally, allicin has been shown to enhance the levels of glutathione and superoxide dismutase, critical antioxidants that help safeguard the kidneys from oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of kidney diseases. Moreover, garlic exhibits diuretic properties, enhancing urine output and aiding in the flushing out of excess toxins and minerals from the body. This can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Garlic's importance to kidney health is evident, and integrating it into your diet can be highly beneficial. For optimal health benefits, consuming raw garlic cloves, especially on an empty stomach, is recommended. Chopping or crushing garlic and adding it to salads, sauces, or other dishes just before serving helps maintain its allicin content, although cooking can reduce its potency. Alternatively, garlic supplements that contain standardized amounts of allicin or its derivatives can also be an effective way to harness these benefits. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more enlightening content like this. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes are not just tasty and hydrating, they offer remarkable health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. These fruits are rich in a powerful plant compound known as resveratrol, found primarily in grape seeds and skins. Resveratrol is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic properties, which are crucial in preventing or mitigating kidney damage that results from inflammation and scarring. A notable study published in Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism illustrated that resveratrol could even reverse kidney damage induced by a high-fat diet in obese rats through the restoration of copper levels within the kidneys. Moreover, grapes also contain citric acid, a natural compound that plays a role in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Another significant kidney benefit of grapes is their ability to help reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major contributor to kidney failure, as it can damage the renal blood vessels and impair kidney function. The polyphenols in grapes, which are beneficial plant chemicals, help to relax blood vessels and enhance blood flow, thereby aiding in blood pressure management. To enjoy the kidney benefits of grapes, you can consume them fresh or frozen, making them a versatile addition to your diet. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are another fruit that is incredibly beneficial for kidney health. These berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for their distinctive blue hue and help protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a harmful process that can damage the cells and tissues of the kidneys, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries exhibit anti-inflammatory effects and have the capability to lower blood pressure, both of which are advantageous for maintaining healthy kidneys. Research has shown that regular consumption of blueberries is associated with significantly lower levels of urinary albumin, an indicator of kidney damage, highlighting their protective effect against kidney issues. Blueberries can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or incorporated into various dishes such as smoothies, oatmeal, or salads, making them a delicious and healthful choice for supporting kidney function. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a favorite summer treat, it's also a hydrating powerhouse that benefits your kidneys. This fruit boasts a remarkable 92% water content, which significantly enhances urine production and facilitates the flushing of waste products from your kidneys. This high water content makes watermelon an excellent choice for promoting kidney health and detoxification. In addition to its hydrating properties, watermelon is a good source of potassium, which plays a crucial role in balancing sodium levels in your body and preventing salt retention. Excessive salt retention can lead to swelling and increased pressure on your kidneys, potentially exacerbating kidney issues. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant known for its ability to protect against kidney cancer and other forms of oxidative damage. You can enjoy watermelon in various forms, either as a refreshing snack, blended into a juice, or whipped into a smoothie, making it a versatile and delicious way to support kidney health. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is celebrated not just for its culinary uses, but also for its substantial health benefits, particularly concerning cardiovascular health and blood pressure management. High blood pressure is a leading risk factor for kidney disease, and managing it is crucial for preventing kidney damage. Olive oil's beneficial effects on blood pressure can therefore play a vital role in kidney health. This healthy fat is rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid known for its ability to reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress within the kidneys. Furthermore, olive oil contains polyphenols, plant compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that further enhance its protective effects on the kidneys. Olive oil is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be used as a salad dressing, for cooking, or simply drizzled over dishes to enhance flavor while contributing to your overall health, particularly benefiting your kidneys and cardiovascular system. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, is an excellent food for supporting kidney health. It's particularly rich in anthocyanins, the plant pigments that lend red cabbage its vibrant reddish-purple hue. These anthocyanins are celebrated for their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are thought to offer protection against a variety of conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. One study highlighted that diets rich in anthocyanins could reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease by up to 29%. Additionally, cabbage is a significant source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant crucial for immune system support and cellular health. Vitamin C aids in reducing damage caused by free radicals and boosts the production of glutathione, a vital detoxifier that assists the kidneys in eliminating toxins more efficiently. Cabbage is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy it raw in salads or coleslaw, or it can be cooked and added to soups, stews, or stir-fries, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Number 10. Apples. Apples are among the best fruits for maintaining kidney health, thanks to their high content of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. These nutrients help shield the kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that not only helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, both risk factors for kidney disease, but also binds to toxins in the digestive tract, preventing them from being absorbed into the body and potentially harming the kidneys. Moreover, apples are high in water and low in sodium, which aids in flushing out excess fluids and salts from the body, thus reducing the burden on your kidneys. Noteworthy research, including a 2011 study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, found that consuming apples was associated with a reduced risk of chronic kidney disease in women. Another study in 2015 from the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology linked apple consumption to lower mortality rates in patients with chronic kidney disease. To enjoy these benefits, consider eating at least one medium-sized apple per day, preferably with the skin on, as it contains the majority of the antioxidants and fiber. In conclusion, these are the 10 foods that can significantly support your efforts to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. By incorporating them into your diet, you not only support your kidney function, but also help prevent many kidney-related issues and diseases. However, it's important to note that while these foods can enhance kidney health, they are not substitutes for medical treatment. If you have any concerns about your kidneys or overall health, Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you regularly include any of these foods in your diet? Are there other kidney-friendly foods you'd like to recommend? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your input and enjoy engaging with our viewers. Thanks for watching. Prosody.